AM Naik Tower is a L&T business tower. It's a LEED certified building. This is 10 lakh plus square feet premises. Consists of 15 floors. This building has a capacity of 4,200 workstations. We have a cafeteria, we have creche, we have a gym, we have MPH which can cater to 300 theatre style sitting. 2040 is our group initiative to be net zero towards the sustainability initiative taken by the center.
We as an L&T has also taken that goal to be net zero by 2040. Starting from 3 energy efficient 850 TR chillers for tower portion and 2 250 TR chiller for the data center portion. Then we have energy efficient AHUs, we have VFDs, and then high efficient cooling towers. DGU glass for the facade, wherein the design has been done in such a way that all the cabins are at the center with the core and the workstations are opening along the facade side. We are literally zero water discharge from the tower. We have 80 kW solar panel which has been installed at the rooftop, which is helping us to reduce our energy bill drastically. Due to all these energy efficiency measures which has been taken at AM Naik Tower, we are able to save close to 20 to 25% of our annual maintenance cost.
So what we build is what we live. We feel that it's everyone's business to be responsible for a sustainable future. So join us in this journey and we all can make this happen for a very safe planet with the ecological balance.